The savanna was lawless. Predators were running wild and no one could stop them. Until now. There's a new sheriff in town, Mr. Kasongo. Always ready for bad hombres.
Hey you!
So Kasongo, the Savannah Sheriff, introduces himself in style to the King of Jungle. Let's watch that interaction.
So you are that Kasongo, eh? I have heard a little about you. That you have V16 Turbo Engine and new cylinders.
I am Sheriff Kasongo, sir. Put some respect to my name. You have no manners, as I was told. Say Sheriff Kasongo. Say it. Say it.
While the sheriff was issuing a ticket to the speedless king for going 20 on a 90 zone, elsewhere another bad hombre was terrorizing the nation. Let's watch how Mr. V16 Turbo Engine with advanced ABS handled that case. And that is how Sheriff Kasongo brought law and order in the savannah.